rain of mercy. Abba, to the one that is struggling, to the one that is struggling, Abba, we pray, let there be a rain of mercy. Abba, to the one whose heart is heavy, they don't know who to talk to. Abba, we ask, let there be a rain of mercy. Abba, to the one who has suffered cycles and patterns, Abba, let there be a rain of mercy. Abba, to the one who has held on struggling to you. Abba, to the one who has held on struggling to you in the midst of all the trials and the troubles. Abba, we ask, let there be a rain of mercy. 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 Abba, rain down your mercy. Rain down your mercy. Abba, by your mercy, the devil will not have the last word. Abba, mockery will not have the last word. Shame will not have the last word. Abba, arise. 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 Let your amen.